subdivision Lycopsida are club mosses. Lycopsids include both the living and fossilized genera. Lycopsid life cycle is also consists of a dominant sporophyte generation and a reduced short-lived gametophyte generation. Gametophyte of Lycopsids. The gametophyte is haploid and reduced. It is also thalloid. Antheridia and archegonia are present on the dorsal surface of the gametophyte. Thallus bear resides on the ventral surface for the absorption of water and mineral. Antheridia produce sperm and archegonia produce ovum. When water is available, fertilization occurs and zygote is formed. Zygote develop into embryo and the embryo develop into sporophyte. Sporophyte of Lycopsids. The sporophyte is diploid and dominant. It can be differentiated into root, stem and leaves. If we compare the sporophyte of Lycopsids with that of the Psilopsid, you can see that in Psilopsid, the sporophyte can be only differentiated into rootless, leafless, stem, while the sporophyte of the Lycopsid contain root, stem and leaves. The stem is cylindrical and dichotomously branched. Adventitious roots are attached to the stem. Because these plants do not produce seeds. Those plants which produce seeds, so when the seed is fall on the soil, it produces the first root known as radicle. Those roots which are produced from the radicle are known as taproot. Lycopsids do not produce seeds, so that is why roots are directly produced from the base of the stem. Those roots which are produced from the base of the stem are known as adventitious root. So all those tracheophytes which are produced from the gametophyte embryo, those plant produces adventitious roots, while those plant which are produced from the seeds, they produce taproot. The leaves are small, simple, one-veined. They are called microphylls and densely surrounding the stem. There are two types of leaves, foliage or vegetative leaves. These leaves are only concerned with the photosynthesis of the plant. And reproductive leaves, these leaves do photosynthesis and they take part in the reproduction as well. These reproductive leaves are known as sporophylls. A single sporangia develops on the upper side of the sporophyll. The sporophylls form a cone-like structure called strobilus. A small outgrowth is present at the base of each sporophyll, known as ligule. This ligule retains moisture. The spores, when fall on a suitable place, they produce the gametophyte. So, alternation of generation continues in the Lycopsids. As we discussed that Lycopsids include both living and fossilized genera. The living genera of the Lycopsids are Lycopodium, Selaginella, Isotes, and Phyloglossum. You can find Selaginella near the watercourses. Fossilized genera. Lepidodendron and Sigillaria are the fossilized genera of the Lycopsids.